Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, post na Mighty Clean. Mighty Clean TikTok Pasko flash sale ay nga 12 days of Christmas with Mighty Clean ngayong December 1 to 12. May papiso plus deals kami. Abangan ang plus deals na ito sa TikTok live stream ng iyong paboritong Mighty Clean TikTok affiliates. I-follow ang aming page para masubaybayan ang reveal kung paano ma-avail ang mga produktong na ito na bagsak presyo. Oy, wow. Punta na sa TikTok live ng Mighty Clean, guys. At next ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang Instagram. Thank you, November. At yun na, library. At masaya nga ako at wala nga masyadong na-connect si Barda United at saka si Pikwa kay David sa mga post ni Barbie. Ay nako, puro lang connect na wala namang katuturan. Yun bang wala namang kinalaman si David sa buhay ni Barbie pero pilit kinukonek pa rin nila Barda United, no? Parang tanga lang. Ayan na nga sa airport with her ate Abby. Ayan, so nanood siya ng Denzel Washington yata yun. Uy, wow, parang masarap to. At yan, book Home is Where the Bodies Are. At yan, the sexy Barbie Fortesa practice swimming. At yan, shabu-shabu. At pizza. At ito na ang birthday ni Nay Fatima. Si Tony Avila, si Janra, si Tatay Tony. Ay man si Miss Bea Binene. At ito si Rain Matienzo. At ito naman ay si Joyce Ching. At ito yung marathon ni Barbie. At ito, so ito sabi nga nila Barda United dahil daw nakakapital yung letter D. Connected na raw kay David yun. Kalukuhan, no? Anyway, ito na nga si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ano to, hotel? Ganon. At ito, oh wow, more foods. Ay, ito Samji to, guys. At ito, uy, medyo bumibilis ang ate ko. Ayan na nga si Barbie.
Long time no see! What's up, friend? Uy, hindi. Baliktad.
Ayan na nga. So, dahil wala nga kasamang boyfriend si Barbie Fortesa na nag-jogging, so, kasama niya si Tito Tony. At yan na nga, eating out with, hindi ko alam, Strava friend yung pinost ng babae eh. So, I'm not sure if it's the same girl, no? Pero yan na nga, parang si Barbie Fortesa pa siya yung life of the party, di ba? Lagi nagkukwento, nagpapatao, di ba? Feel na feel mo. At nagsay post ni Charisma, magpapasinda kaya ang isang Barbara Fortesa? Let's watch this.
Kapuso, this is the perfect movie this November. KMJS, Gabi ng Lagim, the movie.
Barbs, kung nga ako yung monster, no? Tapos magugulat
Ang hirap naman
ka.
paniwalaan.
And 3, 2,
Sige
1.
nga. Parang hindi, gorgeous pa din. I love it. But thank you for trying.
O, diba? Grabe si Barbie. Si Barbie, yung ayaw niya na nakaka-offend ng tao, kaya alam niya agad na hindi dapat, kaya hindi niya aalaskahin yang si Akla. At next post ni Tita Ami Fortesa, every daughter needs this shirt for Christmas. It could be so much worse. I could start acting like my mom. You wouldn't like my mom. Ano kaya yung situation na sinasabi ni Tita Ami na it could be so much worse, no? Napapasold porn ako, charot. Anyway, post ni Neil Serrano, hindi man talaga maisa ng isang Barbara Fortesa, mabilis siyang mag-isip. Hindi mo siya malilito. Let's watch this.
Kung ang araw kahapon ay Sabado, anong araw bukas?
Lunes? Tama ba?
Tama.
Huwag niyo kong tanungin ng mga ganyan. Ganda lang ang dala ko ngayon.
Tama.
Tama ba?
Tama,
Okay,
tama.
tama pala. Okay, go.
Hirap talaga siyang i-prank.
O, diba, napakatalino ni Barbie. Sino kasi hindi nakasagot dyan? Ay, si David yata. Oo nga yata, naalala ko yon. Anyway, lastly, naman, ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang IG story. Ang mga kumare niya, si Rita Daniela at si Miss Julian San Jose, singing For Good ng Wicked the movie. Let's watch this.
I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow. It's on my heart, and now that I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by a wind of the sea. Like a seed dropped by a skybird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? Because I knew you. Because I knew you. I have been changed for good. Just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for. But then I guess there's more to blame to share, and none of it seems to matter anymore. Like the calm that floats from orbit as it passes a wind of the sea, stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say that I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better.
O diba, super proud si Miss Barbie Fortesa sa dalawa niyang kumare na si Miss Julian San Jose at saka si Miss Rita Daniela. Grabe. Yun yung mga talagang super BFF niya na talagang yan ang mga totoong they care for her a lot. Hindi yung mga puro lip service lang. Hindi naman totoo. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barbie Fortesa updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!